Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Aries. So today it's going to be a different kind of reading, guys. I'll be picking 3 cards from this deck. So one card for your past, one for your present, and one for your future. So I'll keep it downward facing. So as we proceed, we will turn the cards, guys. This is for your present, guys, and this is for your future, Aries. So for your past, Universal Heart. So this card is for our past energy, guys. So the angels are guiding us today to live consciously. Each and every one of us are connected at some level. So the words we speak, our emotions, even the things we buy, the food, the possessions we have, all have a certain effect on the whole universe. So by our actions, we are creating an impact on the past, the present, and the future. On all life on earth has equal right to exist on this planet. So you need to have a heart-centered living with love in your heart. We have to coexist peacefully, guys. So whatever choices we make in our life should be based on love, compassion, and understanding. When you do that, you connect yourself with the universe. When you have that love in the heart, in your heart, when you live with a selfless love, when you make choices based on love, you are able to connect with each and everything in this universe, and you feel that connection and unity in your life. So that was the energy for your past. Maybe you were such a person, or this should have been your energy in the past. You should have lived more consciously. That is what the angels are guiding us with, guys. So what is your present today? Silence your thoughts. So we face so many troubles and conflicts in our day-to-day life, and our mind, it keeps thinking of all the stressful things, and we have that full chatter, that wasteful thinking again and again and again. So we need to stop worrying about the past and the future, and we have to learn to experience the new, whatever is happening today, whatever is happening in the present moment, whatever is today. So you need to first learn to quieten your mind. So you have to give up all the negative thoughts. Maybe sometimes if we are alone, try to have some time alone. We will quieten our mind. Maybe if you are a person who loves meditation, you can take it up. It helps a long way, guys. It helps us to clear our mind of all the negative things, give up all that which we feel stressed about. And when we do that, we see our whole life from a different perspective, and it gives us a mind without control and judgment. So we see a thing, any situation from a different perspective, where we see it without judgment, without our mind controlling that, the way we see that situation. So when we do that, we get a clear view of our situation, guys, and a better understanding. So the need for you to silence your thoughts, Aries. And let us see what is your future. Forgiveness. The energy for your future, Aries, is it is time to move on with your life. So we all have done something wrong that we regret every day. We have hurt someone, or someone has hurt us. We hold so many grudges, and we want to take revenge on certain things, on certain people, and we have that cycle of anger and resentment. So we have to learn to forgive others, and we also should learn to forgive ourselves for all the mistakes that we have done, and we should go towards the path of healing. When you do that, it just releases us from the cycle of blame, and we forget what has been done to us. So it helps both of us to move on with our life, whoever was there in that situation. So the sooner you forgive, the sooner you heal from a particular situation, from a particular hurt. So that is the angel's guidance for us, for our future, guys. So whatever from the past, the things that have hurt us, you have to let go for a brighter future, for a peaceful future, for a what to say, uh, to move on in your life, to step forward. So that is the energy with these cards, Aries. Maybe your person feels you need to forgive them and move on with your life. That is the energy with these cards. And that is the reading, Aries. If you like this reading, please comment. If this reading resonated with you all, please comment, Aries. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Aries.